Today, I'm on a mission to help content creators elevate their visual game by designing awesome thumbnails for fellow creators who can't afford a graphic designer. For the first person we're designing today, I'm going to Marshman on YouTube. His most recent video is about doing a 24-hour challenge at the same grocery store, so I'm going to see if I can storytell that in a thumbnail. First things first, what I did was I grabbed his old thumbnail, I downloaded it, and I put it into Redesigning to enhance his face. That way I can cut him out and put him onto my own thumbnail. After I cut him out, the strategy behind this thumbnail was in the video, he is eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner at this Family Mart. So my strategy was, if he's going to spend 24 hours at this Family Mart, then I'm going to make him look tired and hopefully a little more exhausted, since he is eating there for 24 hours. Kind of make him seem like he's tired of the food, tired of going there, etc. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you subscribe, but I'm just gonna let the speed art take it away from here. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, coming off for the second thumbnail of the day is coming from my boy Dominic. Now Dominic made a new video of an unboxing for an airsoft pistol, and so I think we can help him out by making the text easier to read and by making the gun more visible. So one of my favorite things to do when I am designing a thumbnail for a different content creator is I like to search based off what their video's about, see what other people come up with their thumbnails. I noticed that a lot of people either had a plain background and just the box itself of whatever they're unboxing, or their thumbnails usually kind of crowded, which I didn't like the crowded myself. I preferred more like the plain look where it made the product or whatever they're unboxing stand out more. So I went with just a plain background with adding in the pistol and some text. Let me know what you guys think of this thumbnail, but I'll let you get right into the speed art. And for the last thumbnail of the day, I'm gonna go with my boy Nautic over here, who is a Fortnite grinder. Let's see if we can whip something up for his latest video, where it's just highlights of him playing Fortnite. For this thumbnail, I wanted to keep it really simple since it's just a highlights thumbnail. It just needs to stand out and pop a little more. And then I got straight to work, making the background dark. First things first is I worked on text because that's the easiest thing to work on. And then after that, I worked a little bit on the background. And then I actually wanted to learn to light better. How to light objects and people, stuff like that. So then I started to kind of brush around the character himself and kind of learn lighting a little on my own. But I'm just gonna let you guys finish out the speed art. I'll see you guys in a bit. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you leave a like on this video. It tells me you really like this type of series, and subscribe. See you guys in a bit. you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because it really means a lot. Click this video right here to learn how to build a brand. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.